Hello everyone and welcome back to channel. In today's lesson we will explore the Boolean Operation Toolkit in CATIA Part Design. You will learn how to combine, subtract, intersect and trim different bodies, create complex and professional 3D models. Let's get started.
I got this magic in my fingertips, designing dreams with every click. Shapes and wonders coming to life. With CATIA I cut through strife. In my mind the future's clear. No more doubts, no more fear. Crafting visions in 3D. CATIA's the key, don't you see? I can reach the sky so high. Build my dreams, no need to try. With every tool I sculpt my fate. CATIA helps me innovate. Every line precise and true. Colors bright and brand new.
Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the Boolean Operation Toolkit. In the previous lesson, we talked about parts and bodies. You saw that each part has a subset. Geometric shapes in each part are created within a main body called PartBody. You notice that we can have numerous bodies other than PartBody. You also observe that only one body is active at a time. I mentioned that drawing, constraint, and 3D operations are only possible in the active body. Each body can have its specific material. All bodies are displayed together in a set. However, until they are combined, a unified part is not formed. To combine the bodies created using the tools in the Boolean Operation Toolkit. When using Boolean tools, one body is considered the base body. Other bodies are combined with it. If during this combination one of the bodies is part body, it can only be used as the base. Now I'm creating a part. In the part body, I draw a rectangular prism. I assign it a material. I choose the blue color for it. I create a second body named PartBody. I draw another rectangle in it and use the pad command to 3D it. I size it so that it extends from both sides of the prism. I assign it a red material. I also create a third body. I name it Pocket Body. Within its subset, I create a hexagon. With the pocket command, I give it that volume. I expect this pocket to be subtracted from the part body, but I observe that it has turned into a pad. The reason is that now two volumes have been created in two different bodies without any connection between them. I give it a green color. Now I activate the first tool named Assemble. The settings window for this tool opens. This window has one section and three options. The first option is named Assemble. In the input field in front of it, we specify the body that we want to combine with the base body. Notice that now we have three bodies. If I click on part body now, I encounter an error. The error message tells us that we cannot use part body as the connectable body. This means that the other bodies can be connected to it, but not vice versa. Notice that when you combine two bodies, all the physical specifications of the base body are assigned to both bodies. This is an important point to note. Here I introduce the pad body as the second body. I click on part body in the second options input field named 2. I click OK. You will see that pad body has been removed from the design tree. Its color changed to blue. It is placed under part body in the design tree as Assemble 1. I again activate the Assemble command. This time, in the input field in front of Assemble, I click on PartBody. In the input field in front of the To option, I click on PartBody. If you have paid close attention, the software has already selected PartBody in advance. Now you see that the green pad has transformed into a pocket. Its color has changed to blue. The pocket body has been deleted and assembled as a subset of Assemble 2 under PartBody. As you notice, both bodies have merged and the material of PartBody has been taken by them. Now we have an integrated part. With the help of our Assemble tool, we can perform both addition and subtraction operations. By pressing the combination keys Ctrl+Z, I return to the previous state. Let's examine the next three tools. The first tool is named Add. This tool only performs the addition operation. I click on it to activate it. The tool settings window opens. You will see that this window is like the previous one. In the first option named Add, I click on the body on which I want to perform the addition operation. While this box is active, I click on PartBody. In the box in front of To option, I click on PartBody. You will see that the PartBody has been added to the cube as a pad. I activate the Add command again. In the box in front of Add option, I click on PartBody. In the next in front of the To option, I click on PartBody. You will see that here PartBody has been added to the cube as a pad. You will notice that despite this volume being produced by the Pocket command, it behaved as a pad here. So with the Add command, bodies can only be combined in an additive manner. Now I activate the Remove tool. The tool settings window opens. In the box in front of the Remove option, I click on PartBody. In the box in front of From option, I click on PartBody. You will see that PartBody has been subtracted from the cube as a pocket. I reactivate the Remove tool. I click on PartBody in the front box of the Remove option. I click on PartBody in the front box of From option. I hit OK. You will see that PartBody is subtracted from PartBody. So, with the Remove tool, only subtraction can be performed. Now I click on the Intersection tool to activate it. I click on PartBody in the front box of Intersect option. I click on PartBody in the front box of To option. I hit OK. You will see that only the common section of both bodies is displayed. The rest of the sections of both bodies are removed. this comment section has the physical characteristics of PartBody. Now I want to talk about the Union Trim tool. Suppose we have three bodies in the page. The first body is PartBody. In this body, we have a volume in the shape of a rectangular prism. The second body is an empty cylinder with a thickness of 10 mm. The third body is also a cylinder with a thickness of 5 mm. Body 3 is the last body in the design tree. First, I want to cut off the bottom of body 3 to the level below the cube and add it to the cube. Now body 3 is active. I click on the tool in Activate It. You will see that the settings window did not open. I click on body 3 in the design tree. The tool settings window opened. This window has one section and 4 options. The first and third options, name, trim and face to remove, are related to the body on which we want to perform the union operation. Remember that this body cannot be PartBody. Look at the tool settings window. The second option, named width, is active. The third and fourth option are disabled. The box next to the width option is blue. The software is waiting for us to introduce the base body. I click on the PartBody in the design tree. Its name is written in the box next to the width option. This box becomes disabled. The third and fourth boxes are enabled. I click on the box next to remove faces to turn it blue. Now I click on the bottom part of the cylinder. This part becomes semi-transparent. If I click on OK, you will see that the transparent part is cleared. Look at the design tree. Body 3 is removed and trim 1 is added to PartBody. I go back the first state. First, I enable PartBody as active body. Below the name of PartBody, a line appears. I enable the Union Trim tool. I click on body 3. The tool settings window opens. You see that in the front box of the width option, the name of PartBody is written and it is disabled. The rest of the path is the same as before. I go back. I re-enable the tool. Notice that body 3 is in active state. Pay attention to the line below body 3. Now I click on body 2 in the design tree. The tool settings window opens. Please note that the second option is name width and is disabled. Currently, the name body 3 is written in it. If we want to combine body 2 with PartBody, we must enable PartBody before enabling the tool. First, I right-click on PartBody in the design tree. From the drop-down menu, I select Define in Work Object. In the design tree, you will see a line drawn below PartBody. Now I enable the tool. Now I click on body 2 in the design tree. The tool settings window opens. It is seen that in the box in front of the width option, the name PartBody is written. Now I enable the faces to remove option. I click on the part of body 2 that I want to delete. I click OK. You will see the result. consider another example. A rectangular prism with a thickness of 10 mm located in part body. An empty cylinder with a thickness of 10 mm located in body 2. The cylinder and the rectangular prism intersect. I want to delete the intersection part of both the rectangular prism and the empty cylinder. I want both bodies to be combined. For this, I want to use a tool called Union Trim. Now we only have two bodies in the design tree. The last body is body 2. I enable the tool. I click on the cylinder. The name of this body is written in the frame at the front of option trim. In the width option, the part body is also included. I want to erase a part of cylinder that is inside the box. I click on the box in front of Faces to Remove option to highlight it in blue and make it active. I click with the mouse on the desired area. This part becomes semi-transparent. I can delete or replace this area using the Selection tool. I want to delete the outer part of the cuboid too. I introduce this part into the Faces to Keep option to the software. Just keep in mind that every surface that you click on will remain and the rest will be erased. I click OK. The result is visible. The last tool is called Remove Lump. Here, lump means a mass or unwanted additional parts. Sometimes, in Boolean operation, additional volumes remain. These are not the volumes we want. We use this tool to remove them. Suppose we are given a file that contains two bodies, a cube and a cylinder. The first body is a cube and the second is a cylinder. The file does not have a design tree. We are told to subtract the volume of the cylinder from the cube to create a hole. First, I activate the Remove tool. In the Remove option, I choose Cylinder, and in the From option, I select Cube. It is seen that the cylinder has been subtracted from the cube, but a smaller cylinder remains. This remaining cylinder is unwanted and I want to erase it. If I right-click on it and press Delete, the result is not correct. I should use the Remove Lump tool in this case. First, I click on the tool to activate it. Then I click on the cylinder. The tool settings window opened. In the Trim section, you will see the name Body 2 is disabled. In the Faces to Remove option, I click on the surface of the cylinder. I click OK. You will see that the cylinder has been removed. Very well, today's lesson is over here. Boolean tools are very important tools. We will use them in future exercises. I hope this lesson has been of interest to you. Good luck. Goodbye until the next lesson.
Let's build